Bad tuck pointing isn't just a cosmetic issue. Done poorly, it can lead to water damage, structural instability, and repairs that cost far more down the road. That's why professional tuck pointing is absolutely essential to protect the strength and beauty of your masonry. At A&A Masonry, we don't just patch mortar, we restore your brickwork with precision, care, and craftsmanship that lasts for decades. Let's break down what separates poor workmanship from the A&A Masonry standard.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
Tuck pointing starts long before new mortar ever touches the wall. Preparation is everything. When preparation is rushed, the repair won't last. Too many contractors scrape the surface and slap in fresh mortar. But at A&A, our crews grind out the old mortar deep into the joints, right down to the level of solid, stable material. Why? Because only by reaching sound mortar can the new mix bond securely, creating a repair that's strong, durable, and long-lasting. Every joint is then cleaned and cleared of debris, so the new mortar adheres perfectly. That's the difference between a repair that crumbles in a few years and one that stands strong for decades. Another common problem with bad tuck pointing is cheap materials. Some companies cut corners to give a low estimate, but those savings disappear when the repairs fail and need to be redone. At A&A Masonry, we use only high-quality mortars that match the original composition of your brickwork. This ensures compatibility, strength, and longevity. And we don't stop there. Color matching is one of our specialties. Our crews carefully match the mortar color to your existing brickwork so the repair blends seamlessly. When we're finished, you won't even notice the work was done. Just a flawless wall that looks as good as new. Every structure is unique, and so is the mortar it needs. Using the wrong type of mortar mix can weaken your walls and cause premature failure. Our professionals analyze your existing mortar and create a blend that's perfectly suited to your home. For historic buildings, we often use Type O mortar, which is gentler on older bricks. For modern homes, Type N is the go-to, and when the situation demands it, we'll custom blend a mix right on site to ensure a perfect match in both performance and appearance. This level of precision isn't optional, it's what protects your masonry for the long run. Tuck pointing isn't just filling cracks, it's a craft. Proper application is what makes a job look sharp and hold strong. At A&A Masonry, our crews press the mortar deep and tight into the joints, eliminating gaps and voids. We work methodically, starting with horizontal joints before moving to vertical, ensuring every section is uniform. Once the mortar begins to set, we tool the joints for a smooth, consistent finish, strong, polished, and visually appealing. Then, we carefully clean the surrounding brick to leave your home looking crisp and beautiful. This combination of precision and artistry is what sets A&A's work apart from the rest. What really proves the quality of our tuck pointing? The words of our clients. Homeowners across the region consistently leave us 5-star reviews, praising our professionalism, our attention to detail, and the way our repairs blend seamlessly into the original masonry. Customers highlight how we've stopped leaks, restored aging homes, and left job sites spotless. Again and again, A&A Masonry delivers results that not only fix the problem, but protect and enhance the value of your home. At the end of the day, tuck pointing is about more than mortar, it's about trust. When you hire A&A Masonry, you're choosing a team that puts craftsmanship first, uses only the best materials, and treats your home as if it were our own. So if you're ready for a tuck pointing job that's done right the first time and built to last for decades, call A&A Masonry today. Let us restore the strength, beauty, and integrity of your home with the quality you deserve.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.